Hello guys! Hi everyone! Let us introduce ourselves.
Hello, my name is Raihan Askar.
My name is Sally Amelia.
My name is Zakia Ophelia Mardiana.
My name is Nadia Savitri. So we all here wanna discuss about an inclusive campus with our friends. Inclusion is a process that ensures every individual to feel valued and respected regardless of their background. An inclusive campus is one that supports the growth and development of students with the special needs by offering diverse approaches to learning.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Raihana Askar from 6th group, and I'm here wanna ask you about accessibility of campus inclusive in Brawijaya University. Can you introduce yourself? Hi, Bibi. From your perspective, what the difficult you have experienced as disability student at Brawijaya University?
So far, as a student at Brawijaya University, I haven't found any difficulties in academic because UB facilities really support students with disabilities. For example, I need typist volunteer in my class to help me understand what is being said. And so in my opinion, the facilities are quite accessible. But however, I have experienced difficulties when I'm interacting with people because most of them don't know how to communicate with deaf people because they still use math or whisper to communicate with me, which means I actually don't have idea what they are saying. So in my case, the struggle is not in academics but in society.
How do you overcome difficulties in the learning process?
If I don't understand something, I ask my friend to help explain it to me, and my friends also ask me if they have a difficulty, so we help each other mutually.
Does the campus provide study support service such special tutors, lecture notes in braille format, or others?
Yes, a typist volunteer or GBI, juru bicara isyarat, but I don't know much about braille service.
Are counseling service or psychology support available for students with disabilities?
As far as I know, they don't offer counseling service because I never heard about it. But when I go to PLD, sometimes Mas Nasta asks me if I have difficulties in academics.
Do lecturers and academic staff on campus support and understand your needs in the teaching and learning process?
Yes, quite sportive, but some are not.
What facilities have you used so far?
A typist volunteer, and they also once held a free hearing checkup to measure the decibel of hearing loss.
What additional facilities do you think need to be added?
They should add more lamp there to lighten the way because it's so dark and people could fall there.
So we'll already end our interview or discussion. Thank you so much, Bibi.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Sri Amelia. Saya di sini sebagai perwakilan dari kelompok saya untuk mewawancarai tentang kampus inklusif di Universitas Brawijaya. Jadi kami membutuhkan perspektif Anda sebagai mahasiswa umum untuk menjawab beberapa pertanyaan dari kami. Yang pertama, apakah Anda pernah bertemu dengan penyandang disabilitas?
Aku pernah ketemu sama teman-teman disabilitas karena kebetulan aku juga ikut satu forum di UB yang isinya tuh tentang bantuan terhadap mahasiswa disabilitas ini gitu.
Terus bagaimana cara Anda berkomunikasi dengan teman-teman penyandang disabilitas?
Kalau aku karena aku nggak bisa bahasa isyarat, jadi biasanya aku pakai kayak chat gitu untuk komunikasi langsung sama mereka. Aku ketik di notes, terus nanti aku tunjukin ke dia, terus nanti begitu pun sebaliknya dia catat di notes, tunjukin ke aku.
Kemudian apakah Anda pernah melihat fasilitas inklusi yang ada di sini?
Pastinya pernah ya, karena kan di FISIP sendiri juga udah banyak fasilitas-fasilitas untuk teman-teman disabilitas gitu, kayak dengan adanya lift juga udah sangat membantu untuk teman-teman disabilitas gitu sih.
Menurut Anda, seberapa baik fasilitas inklusi yang sudah ada di Universitas Brawijaya?
Di UB sendiri sih menurut aku udah cukup baik ya untuk bantu teman-teman disabilitas fasilitasnya, karena juga di UB ini menyediakan pendamping untuk teman-teman disabilitas, jadi untuk membantu teman-teman disabilitas mengikuti kelas gitu.
Kemudian menurut Anda, apakah ada fasilitas bagi penyandang disabilitas yang perlu diperbaiki?
Pastinya ada ya, kayak untuk jalanan, mungkin untuk teman-teman yang tidak bisa melihat kan pastinya butuh jalan yang mulus gitu ya. Nah di UB sendiri tuh masih banyak sekali jalan-jalan yang berlubang.
Thank you for watching our video.
I hope you all enjoy our video.
Bye-bye.
An inclusive campus for students with disability focus not only on physical adjustments but also on providing comprehensive supports and service, as well as building a friendly and supportive environment for all students. So far, the inclusive service at Brawijaya University have been good. Just needs to be improved, and there needs to be improvement to some of the facilities that have been mentioned by friends.